What's going on, my friend? Garrett Berry here. Now, inside of this video, what I'm going to share with you is a way that you can start using to make money online. Now, this method doesn't require any previous experience. It doesn't matter if you've maybe tried something in the past and you didn't succeed. If you follow what I'm going to share with you, you're going to be able to do this. Now, the reason I know is because I've been blessed to help people for the last 4 years online make money using this method. This method is easy and this method is very, very simple. So before I get into it, what I want to do is actually hop on my computer and share with you a little proof so you can see that I'm making money because, first off, you want to know, am I actually making money? Is this method actually working? And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to this couch and I'm just going to have a relaxing conversation with you, my friend, and share with you more information on exactly how this works so you can start applying it to make money as soon as today in some cases. So follow me and I'll be right back. All right, my friend, now I'm on my computer and what I want to do real quick is share with you results that other people have been getting using the same method I'm sharing. I could share with you, $400 that I made yesterday. I could share with you, $1,000 that I made the other day. But what's more important is that I've helped other people get results because this is duplicatable and anyone, no matter what their age, what their background, can really do this if they apply what I'm sharing inside this video. So, this is a message that I got on Facebook. This person right here, Garrett, your training changed my life. My first $300 day going for 2K this week, okay? And I'm so excited to see this because I love helping people and I love seeing people get the results they want. Hey, Garrett, just wanted to say the training works. And I'm like, you're seeing good results? And they said, yes, I did exactly what's in the training. And I already have 5 people saying they're joining. And I made my first sale yesterday. This is a sale or a referral. And she made money. And I don't think she's ever done anything like this before. Just a few more. Thanks a million. Just the 3rd day of applying the video training you shared and already made 2 sales. Now, this is money that she's making directly and instantly in her PayPal. Just applying what what I'm sharing with you inside of this video, and I'll maybe do one more. Hey, stud, just had another person join through me. Hey, that's awesome. Keep doing it. I said, thanks. Yes, I already have like 4 people or so saying they're joining this week. Okay, very powerful. And again, we make money with this method every time someone joins, every time you refer someone and they join through your link. So now real quick, I am going to say that I have a link directly below in the description, and at any point in this video, if you want more in-depth information, I have a full video where I walk you through how to get started, how to use this method, and how to really properly apply it. So I have that video for you below for free that you can check out. But in this video, I want to share with you who is this actually for. This is for someone that maybe has not a lot of time, right? Maybe you're working a job right now and you're kind of working a lot of hours and you don't have a lot of time to sit on your computer and do these methods that take a long time. Or maybe you have tried something in the past and it was kind of complicated, it was a lot of effort, and you wanted a simple way that you can actually just start applying to make money even if maybe you haven't really had the success you've wanted. With this method, you're going to be able to really achieve the results you want. Now, just as a brief introduction on what exactly this is, basically what this is from your smartphone or computer, you're going to be able to make posts on there. And whenever you make a post on your Facebook, let's say, or on your Instagram, and someone interested reaches out and they want more information on the product you're promoting, you're going to actually get paid when you refer someone. Okay, so this is called affiliate marketing. Now, I don't want to get into all the complicated things because in the video below, I break it down very simply and very easily. It's about a 5-minute video, but in that video, you're going to discover exactly how to apply it, exactly how to get access to posts, and exactly where to post so you can start getting referrals and start making money, as well as the company that I personally recommend going with after 4 years online that's going to give you the most money and the most chances when you refer someone, because you can go to Amazon.com, a lot of people don't know, and you can actually refer people to, let's say, to buy a TV or to buy, a book, but you're not going to make that much money on Amazon. With the program below, you're going to be able to find out what I recommend to make the most amount of money every time you refer someone, and then how you can start referring people to make money. So I just wanted to keep this video short, my friend. I'm actually about to head out. It's a beautiful day here in Houston, Texas. I hope this helped you. I know what it's like to watch a lot of videos on YouTube and you don't really know what to do. You're confused. Everyone's saying a different thing. you don't have a lot of time to apply it, you don't have previous experience, and you're kind of spinning with your head like, what's going on? How do I do this? And that's why I wanted to shoot this video. So I hope this helped you, my friend. Go to the link below if you're interested. Remember, it's a free video. It's going to walk you through exactly how to apply this. I didn't want to put it on YouTube because it's very powerful information, and I don't want every single person obviously doing this and using it. So, but it will be available for a short time. So thanks so much, my friend. Check it out, and I will catch you very soon. God bless.